Empirical in-car technology, established for over 25 years, has now become one of the UK's leading supplier, distributor and installer of aftermarket reversing camera kits. We supply to private customers as well as the auto trade and franchise dealerships. All our kits are designed to integrate into the car's original screen and show as soon as the reverse gear is engaged, replicating the factory-fitted version. Once purchased on our website, your order is processed through our sales department, where all relevant fitting information is placed on a USB key supplied with your kit, showing step-by-step fitting photos. All our kits are assembled in-house at our workshop, where all the relevant components relating to your specific order, including interface, camera and cables, are married together to complete the kit. The parts are secured and packaged in our box, ready for dispatch, and we ship globally, not just within the UK. Once you or your local installer has your kit and are ready to fit it to your vehicle, we are available for technical support should you need us. Or if you prefer to have your kit fitted by us, we offer installation here at our premises in Glasgow while you wait.